Hello, I'm walking towards the passageway, go around the Eagle Park this time. This is a boardwalk. It's connected all around the park. You can see it's all around. It's beautiful out here in the afternoon. This is what you call a palmetto tree. Palmetto tree is all around the park. You can see all around them growing as a plant display. This is about 6 minutes, 7 minute walk around the park. So just enjoying the view this afternoon. On this park there's a lot of squirrels, so if you come down here and walk, you can see all the squirrels climbing on the tree like this one here. I'm trying to look at him and focus him on the camera, but he just friendly. He was just kind of climbing up to the tree, so I keep on walking along then. This is an entrance towards another walkway going east. And there's another squirrel over here right in front of me, and there's one over there too. Friendly squirrel, they don't bite you or anything, they don't attack you. So it's you're just walking along around them, and they're looking for food, so they kind of come close to you, so don't worry about it. You'll be fine. Very nice friendly squirrels over here in Eagle Park. He can be friendly, but don't touch them, because they bite you. They can bite you anytime. They're just looking for food. That's why they're trying to see if you're gonna give them food. If you have one, maybe not to feed them, because they're supposed to eat those trees seeds around here. There's another one here. It's all over around this park. A lot of squirrels. There's information. You can see the habitats over here at Eagle Park. It's very nice out here, especially in the afternoon. It's very quiet. There's a lake, small lake around. It's not much, but there's water, and it's very green. Some type of plants down there, so I don't know exactly what the name of it. There's another information here in this park. If you got, stop and read them, and you know where you are at this time. This is my first video on this park, and I will be coming back here for part 2, so I can show you more into the other side. Another lake, if you can see another lake down there. That's the biggest lake. There also have patches way down there, so you can slip and ride on top of the water. When I mean on top of the water, I mean you'll be walking along the walkway, which is the boardwalk. Boardwalk would be a good one for to see some turtles and fishes. Is on that lake. Over here is an overview of the park. There's a lot of palmetto trees. There's also a very clean area to walk, and people love it in the afternoon, especially after work. If you like to have a peace of mind walking, this is the good place to do walking. Big trees around, oak trees, palmetto trees. It's safe to walk. They are very much maintained on this park. See how big that tree is? Probably older than me. There's a place, lake over here. There should be an alligator, but there's no presence of alligator when I look down because they're hiding under the bottom of the water. There should be one over here, or maybe a couple. They're out there, but I didn't want to mess with them, so I keep on walking. This is the view of the long walk that I'm doing right now. It should be towards east. And this is the end of my walking, and thank you for watching. See you soon.